What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. This app that I'm on right here is called BigToken. The link and all that stuff will be in the description if you want to sign up. Very easy to do. It's a survey app, but the surveys are like, they're not even surveys. They're really just questions. That's all you got to do. You see here I have $23.87. I'll show you more about that in a minute, but let me just show you how easy it is on this. Like I said, it's really just questions. And look here, where do you get the bulk of your political news? You just answer anything, you know what I'm saying, and you just get paid just like that. I get 3 cents just for doing that, you know what I'm saying. Go to the next one. Just scroll down. You see how my balance, it went up doing that. Which of these things is cold? Let me see. Ice. Bam. Just 3 cents just for doing that. Now the thing is, you might think, oh wow, you just answering questions, you getting paid like that. You know what I'm saying? They're probably not a legit site, but I'm going to show you proof that they have paid me. Do you consider Kata cheese to be a healthy snack? It doesn't matter what you answer, you're going to get credited for it. It'll show you at the bottom, just how much you're going to get credited for, just like that. Very easy. There's so many questions like this. You can upload pictures and stuff like that, but I've never run out of questions. Like the thing is like this survey, this app just continues to continue make me money. Just that easy. What number is greater than 10? 11. Just click on that. Continue. 3 points. 3.35 points. You know what I'm saying? You see here, again, my balance now, I'm at $24. Now this app is legit. They have paid me. I'm gonna show you the proof right here. They sent me $5. This is my first reward I got from them. They sent me $5, so it is legit. Very, very legit. Now there is kind of like a little catch to it I'm going to show you, but it's not even that big of a deal to me, honestly, because it's more realistic. But let me show you. When you click on redeem, now I have $24, but the thing is, this site, they're kind of weird in how they do things. I'm gonna show you. This is just showing you all the actions that I've completed. I just did those like basically today, but I'm gonna go to redeem right here, and you see here all these things. You have to meet qualifications. Now my last redemption was in January because I just kind of forgot about it, honestly. But you actually only can cash out 25% of your points. Now I have $25, so basically I can only cash out $6. Now it's not big of a deal to me, honestly, because basically that's more realistic. If you're paying me 3 cents per question, I think that's kind of high. I don't think that's really likely that you'll actually give me all that money. So basically what they're doing is paying you like 1 cent per question, which is still not bad at all. And the question is literally just one question. So you can do like, so many in just a minute, a lot in, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. You can really just rack up. So technically I have $6 that I can cash out. And so I can just basically click on, got it right here. I can go to continue and go to cash here, how you can get your money. You see here PayPal, $5, 10, 15, 25, 50, and 100. Those things you can cash out on. Now I have $6, so obviously I can cash out $5 right here. You just have to agree to the policy. Click agree, click on that, click finish, click on finish right there. Your reward is on its way. It's just that simple. And I showed you the proof of my last cash out right here, so you see they are legit. This is not some scammy app. It is legit. I've gotten paid, so I highly recommend you get on this site. It is very, very easy to do. Just again, let me show you just how easy the questions are. Just remember, you get 25% of your points. So now my balance went down to $18.75, which basically that's a little bit over like what, $4 now I have. If I go to redeem, how much do I have? How much is that? Let me see. Yeah, $4.68. I'm almost, at another $5. But I just wanted to show you that. Again, the questions are super, super easy. It doesn't really matter what your answer is. Let me just show you some more questions. You see what's my balance right now, $18.75. It'll give you all the points, but it just, for whatever reason, you only get 25%. I get 3 points for doing that. I'll just go to another one. They just continue to add up. Just easy questions. Are you a bot? Obviously I'm gonna say no on that one. And, still get paid for it. They're just easy questions, not even surveys. So it's like anybody can do this. I don't care if you hate surveys. This is something you need to get involved with. It is just that easy. So now I have $18.82. But again, the 25% thing is just basically I just got, 2 cents for those 2 questions. So I highly recommend you guys get on it. It is very easy. It doesn't, take a, genius to do this app. And somebody who's 3 years old can do this app. I mean, it is just that easy. So even if you hate surveys, this is definitely an app you have to do, because you won't get disqualified, because it's really just questions, not even surveys. So get started with the link in the description. Use my code and all that good stuff so you can get bonus points, and sign up today and start making easy money with this app. All right, like I said, it's in the description. If you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, because I always want to keep you guys updated on new sites, new cash outs that I'm doing, tutorials, all that good stuff, showing you guys how to make money completely free. All right, so this is the app you need to add in your routine. Check in the description for all the details on how to get started. And always remember, every penny counts.